Hi, I'm Andrew Koski and welcome to the dessert of pancakes. Now, I'm a chef, so if you love pancakes, come closer. It's all brown and golden. And now I'm going to flip them and put in the plate. And look at the bubbles, they're all steaming. My favourite are pancakes with ice cream and jam. And they are yummy. You gotta love it. It's gluten free and it's good for you. Now I'm going to put some on the plate. So I want you guys to look at my blog for the pancakes and ask me why you love pancakes. Now I'm going to pour some on. And now I'm going to flip this one off. Welcome to the pancake maker.